As of 2025, TikTok has over 1.7 billion monthly active users, and profile sharing has increased by 45% year over year. This makes knowing how to share your profile more important than ever. Your TikTok profile link follows a simple format, hdes/.tiktok.com@username. This link works whether the person clicking it is logged in or not, and it will automatically open the TikTok app if they have it installed. For iPhone users, the process is straightforward. Open the TikTok app and navigate to your profile. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner, select Share Profile, and then choose Copy Link. The link is now on your clipboard, ready to paste anywhere. Android users follow a very similar process. Launch TikTok and go to your profile page. Tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner, select Share Profile, and choose Copy Link. That's it. Your profile link is copied to your device's clipboard. The process is nearly identical on both platforms. Access your profile, find the Share menu, and copy the link. Once copied, your profile link is ready to be pasted and shared across any platform or messaging app. Beyond copying profile links, TikTok offers several advanced sharing methods. The most convenient is QR code generation, which creates a scannable code for instant profile access. TikTok also enables direct sharing to other social platforms. You can instantly share your profile to Instagram stories, Twitter, or messaging apps, creating seamless cross-platform promotion. Content creators are integrating TikTok profile links with link in bio tools like Linktree and Beacons. These platforms create a single landing page that houses all your social media links, making it easier for followers to find you everywhere. Businesses are discovering the power of TikTok profile links in their marketing strategies. Companies now include these links in email signatures, business cards, and marketing materials to connect with younger audiences. TikTok is developing exciting new features for profile sharing. Future updates will include better analytics for tracking link clicks, customizable vanity URLs for verified accounts, and enhanced preview cards when sharing on other platforms. Top influencers demonstrate the power of strategic profile link sharing. Charli D'Amelio maintains over 150 million followers across platforms through effective link sharing, while MrBeast leverages TikTok profile links in YouTube descriptions to drive significant cross-platform traffic. To maximize the effectiveness of your TikTok profile links, follow these best practices. Regularly update your profile before sharing, include links in your email signature and social media bios, and share during peak engagement hours for maximum visibility.